Hello and welcome to Connect the Dots.
Is your relationship normal? That thought probably goes through your head from time to time. Luckily, eHarmony has some answers. The dating site recently polled over 1,000 Australians to find out when major events occurred in their relationships, like first kisses or becoming Facebook official. So the NEX. Tea time you're not sure when to take those next steps, here's a handy guide to help you out. According to the results, 1 in 4 people kiss on the first date, but 1 in 10 said they'd wait a few weeks. When people were asked about how long they wait to sleep with someone they're dating, a majority responded they waited about 3 months. However, 9% said they'd be willing to sleep with someone within a week of meeting them. When you break it down gender-wise, this translates to 25% of guys and 10% of women. When things get a little more serious, 1/3 of Australians are in favor of having the talk, while another third said they go by gut feeling. When it comes to making their relationship public, most couples share a photo online, which 29% of people do after 4 months. Moving right along to the next relationship phase, it takes an average of 3 months for people to say, "I love you." Men are quicker to say it, 50% say they'll say "I" within the first 3 months of dating than women are, only 33% do the same. As it turns out, parting in front of your partner is one of the markers that you're comfortable around them, and the average Australian waits 6 months before doing so. Feeling comfortable around someone also includes crying in front of them, and it takes about 5 months for that to happen in a relationship. When it comes to introducing a partner to friends, 50% of Australians wait about 3 months. But when it comes to family, most, 64%, wait 6 months. First comes love, then comes marriage, right? About 45% of people wait a year to get engaged, 51% a year to be married, and 41% wait a year before having a child. The dating site also polled people on how long it takes them to start dating again after a breakup, and most who were surveyed, 67%, wait less than a year to start seeing someone new. Men are faster than women, 72% versus 63%. Of course, every relationship is different, so do what works for you and your partner. Happiness is key. Like, comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos.